Well, hello everybody. This is Jeanette, Inspirational Design. And today I have a small haul here to share with you. This is what I picked up before Christmas. I went to the antique stores in different places. So there's a variety of different stores that I had bought from here. So we'll start with the crop here. It's big. It has a number 5 on that, on the front of it right there, if you could see that. And I really like this. I got it at my antique store where I have a booth, and I will be sharing that store with you and also showing my booth to y'all. Now, it's called Auntie's Antiques. It's in Trenton, Georgia on Sand Mountain. But let me show you what I did here. This is an old cutting board, round, and I use it for a lid. So I put it on top, which you can set this by a chair and you put your coffee on it, or a book, or flowers you can set on it, like I'll show you right here. See this flower? I got this flower at an antique store in Chattanooga, and it's a money tree, they call it. And I think that's really cute. I really liked it. So what I did, I came home and I repotted it because it had 2 growing in there. And look, it's got some starters in there, real tiny, close to it. And you can pull them and start a new flower with that. And these don't like to be watered a lot. They kind of like to be sprayed in the wintertime, you know. And you want to water this to where it's dry. It needs a little spray right now, I think. But it's real easy to keep, they say, for that. So I was excited, and I repotted one right here. See? Look at that. In a real pretty pot for my spring and summer decor, you know. And so I got 2 of these, and I'm going to be sharing some of these to some family members. I think they would enjoy it, and they say these are really pretty to want to look at to the eye. I think it is. You guys let me know what you think on that, though. If you think they're that pretty, or if you know anything about these plants and how I could take care of them, please leave me a comment down below. I would appreciate it. That would be very nice of you. So we're going to move this crop out of the way. And I want to show you that I got this big old flour sack. And I got it in Chattanooga. And it is a, look how big that is. Look how long. You can use this, cut this up. I want to cut it up into 3s and put grommets on this and hang it up by the hooks and put like you could put flowers in there. You could keep your winter hats in there. You could use it for storage when you hang this up on the hooks. And you know, and I'm also going to put like a little rope on this when it's all said and done. And you can put an umbrella in there as well. So, or make this into a big long pillow. Make it into small pillows. Make it into cushions. There's so much you could do with this that I had to purchase it. I really love it. It is called French Flower Sack. Early 1900s. Yes, I did pay that price, but it's well worth it. It's real strong, you know, and it's well worth it. And I really gonna look forward into cutting this up or doing something with it, which I will do a DIY on it, and I will share that with y'all and show you what it looks like. Now here in Trenton, Georgia, I had bought some ribbons, and they opened up a new thrift store down there, which I'm kind of excited. It helps women that have been abused, you know, that kind of a store. That's where the money goes to. But I really like finding these. This has like 50 yards right there, it says. Sorry about that. But also, so I could peek through that little hole right there, it has a metal center. And I really like that metal look. You can use these in decor and design with them, but I thought this would be pretty to use in the fall or even for your Christmas tree. I really like that. And also got these purple ones, lavender, which is very pretty. It's a light lavender, and they also have, there's the name, and it says it has 100 on the back, 100 yards on it, on this sticker. And so they're old, but I don't think they're real vintage old because it has the barcode right there. But I do like the metal rims inside. So you can decorate with these. Really pretty. Set them on books, lean them against books. You can do anything with this kind of stuff right here. The older look, you know, of things, which y'all know that I like that. And I love thrifting, and I love to go into antique stores. I love all that stuff. So let me show you what I'm going to be doing a DIY on that I picked up in Chattanooga as well. It's at the Sugar Plums. I picked this up, I believe I was in that store. And if some of y'all are familiar with that area, that's where I bought this from, I believe. And it's in a box. We're going to get it out, and I'm going to cut the paper off. Yeah, it is a lamp that goes into a hallway, you know, into your entranceway. A chandelier. And yeah, I think it was really cute. But I am going to turn it into a plug-in chandelier and hang it down. And I'll do the DIY on it and show you guys what I'm going to do. I'm going to use another cord to attach to it right here. And I'm going to take the chain off, and I'm going to wrap the cord. I'm going to use an electrical cord to attach to it, and I'm going to wrap the cord up with twine. You guys have seen that, some of yous, on some of my other little lights that I put together. It really works out well, and it really hides the cord, and it makes the whole thing look really pretty. But look at this. Oh, is that not ever cute? Look at that. I think that's so cute as a chandelier. Now, this is not real glass. No, that is real glass. This is, I think, a plastic. I'm not for sure. But look, it's like little round things that come out. See there? And so I can just see that done up and hanging somewhere. And just, you know, all lit up and real pretty. So, you know, that's the DIY that I want to do. I want to show y'all. Might put it on a short video. Kind of already work on it, but yet kind of show you guys. I like to do the short videos. I think they're really, really neat to do sometimes. Let me put this back in the box. So these are the items that I purchased before the holidays. And I hope that you guys like what I picked and what I bought. Now, at my booth, I love to take my stuff that I don't want, and then I'll take it and sell it, and then if I buy things that I need for my house. And that's all. I don't like to really overspend, but I do like to still shop for goodies, you know. You never know when you look in them places. You never know what you might find, and what they may have out there for you that really works well. And like I said, I love doing DIYs, and I hope that this year in 24 I can do a lot of DIYs and show you guys. I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to taking you to my booth, and I'll be doing flips because I'll be taking things to the booth. So these are the things that I want to do in 2024, and if you're interested in that, subscribe to this channel. Now, I do thank you that my channel is growing. Thank you for all, again, to my new subscribers. And I hope that you stick around and leave me some comments and give me thumbs up. Like I always say, it always helps my channel. So you guys have a good day, and I will be seeing you guys later, okay? And like I said, we'll be having a lot of fun this year. And I hope that your year goes well for y'all too. See you later. Bye.